What's up, guys? It's Triple Max, and thank you for all for probably we got 114 views on in one day. One day. Thank you guys so much for that. I'm going to teach you guys how to animate and Roblox. If you want to do some animations like series, and I'm gonna teach you how to do like pretty cool stuff. Like there's some YouTubers that don't show you how to like do what I'm doing, so you'll be able to like make you like very good at animations. So let's just do this. Okay, let me press on this. Let me just pause. Okay. Let me. Oh, oh my God. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay. So what you want? Okay, let me just press on that. You see this? So you want to go to Fire Explorers? Cause we don't need this, okay? But okay, go type on that. Oh wait, it's glitchy. Okay, just click whatever you want. I'm just gonna click chips cause I like chips, of course. Go press open, and you want to get you have to like yeah. Let me just character insert. Let me just insert myself. Yeah. Also, right now I'm trying to make like a merch. I tried to make this, but it turns out horrible. But I'm gonna make a better one, guys. I promise. And yeah, this looks dirty. Oh my God. I'm bad at making shirts, kind of, but I just try my best. Okay, let me just get my. Okay, let me just do this. Fire, wait, dragon. Let's hope I got that. And finding username. Okay, and let me insert him. Okay, you guys can you guys can just skip this because or I can just pause this. I'll be right back. Okay. Now you as you have characters, you have to press this. Then you see this. I'll just get them. And you can do rig or C frames. Just press on that. And yeah, this is the part that we're doing animations. So I want to show you guys. So you guys are having troubles. Some of you do this, and then when you go over here, you do this. That's what some people of you do, and this. And look at this. See this? You see, it's very bad. I just want okay. So I'm gonna show you the easy. It's very easy to like do this. So okay. So you're gonna do like, so let's do this over here. No, wait. Okay. So try not to move it. Just try not to move it. See? Let's see if I move it. See, it doesn't really look like they moved. And now you go over here. And then now you do this. Try not to move that. And then bam. Try not to move this. Okay, there. And then bam. And then and bam. Pretty simple, right, guys? Okay, now let's see. See? You see this? It's easy. Oh, that's how you do some animations. Also, I'm going to teach you guys how to like okay, so I'm going to teach you guys like stuff. So I'm not really good at these stuff. I'm very bad at these, but if you do bouncy, this is what happens. See? I mean, it pretty looks good. See? Looks pretty good. Okay. Now you get to, if you want to change this, just go to 7, and I'm just gonna pick this because I don't know what to do. Because I don't have, experience in this, but maybe I could do this. Okay, yeah. That it's pretty okay. It's pretty okay. Maybe if I could like make it like this one. Yeah, that would be better. Okay, not bad. So now we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna go to settings and go press back and now see this and bam. See that's how you do some innovation. Don't worry guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to animate more. This was just a tutorial how to like do the movements. Also, okay, let's do one more and then this will be the end of the video. So I'm gonna show you how to do cool walk animations. Okay, cool walks in R6. I'm pretty bad at making walks, but I'm gonna try my best. So I want you to like, okay, just go to rig over here, okay, and just do this. This is what I just learned. Probably PGH Films does this, but like that. I'm gonna move it down to move it down to 60 and probably you guys are gonna do that. And now let's do the walk animations. So now you just do this. So let me just like okay, like that. Okay. Okay. Let me just do this. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. Now let me just do this. And then just do this. Okay. Come on, you just do this. And then bam. Now you just duplicate it. Okay, duplicate this. Oh, okay. And bam. I'm not very bad. I'm pretty. Some things I could be bad in timelines, but okay. This is now look at. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay, and then you just go at the end, and I'm just gonna go over here. And wait, sorry. Oh my God, what's happening? What is happening? I'm kind of laggy. Sorry about that, guys. And just pick him up. And then bam. Now let's see. Let's test this out. Oh, that's it. Wait, 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 wait. Oh yeah, no wonder. That's the reason. Okay. See, that's how you make walk animations. This is part one. Next part two, is gonna teach you guys how to use cameras. This is just basic tutorials how to help you get better at walk animations. So part two will be cameras and fight scenes like punching yeah, other stuff. And don't worry, guys. If this gets 100 views, I'll do part two. But right, I have to work on my games and work on part two of Roblox and Power because it gets delayed because sometimes there's something bad happens like yeah blah 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 like I lose my progress and there's a glitch and other stuff. So yeah thanks for watching, and yeah, I think this has had to be one of my best watchings. Wait.